Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we are breaking down the absolute nuclear bomb Nikon just dropped on the mid-range camera market. We aren't talking about a minor spec bump or a fancy new menu color. We are talking about the Nikon Z6 IV, a camera that is being internally referred to as the Mini Z9. For the first time in history, we have authentic, supply chain leak details that confirm Nikon is no longer playing nice. Following the historic Nikon-RED merger, the Z6 IV is officially bringing Hollywood-grade cinema technology into a body that fits in your backpack. We have the full breakdown on the brand new 33-megapixel stack sensor, the internal 6K REDCODE RAW integration, and a thermal management system that finally puts the overheating era to rest. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will see why the leaked cinema interface has the entire industry buzzing. The heart of this beast is the sensor. For years, the Z6 line has hovered around the 24-megapixel mark. It was fine, but in 2026, fine does not cut it for premium hybrid creators. The Nikon Z6 IV officially leaps to a 33-megapixel fully stacked CMOS sensor. Most cameras in this price bracket use a standard BSI sensor, which is great for photos but suffers from rolling shutter, the jello effect you see when you pan quickly or shoot fast-moving subjects. Because the Z6 IV uses a stacked architecture similar to the flagship Z9, the readout speed is virtually instantaneous. We are looking at absolute zero rolling shutter. Whether you are shooting a fast-paced wedding or a bird in flight, your images and video will be surgically sharp with no distortion. But Nikon did not stop at resolution. The real magic happened when Nikon acquired RED Digital Cinema. We all wondered how that would trickle down to the consumer level, and the Z6 IV is the answer. This camera features internal 6K REDCODE RAW recording. You are getting the same color science and post-production flexibility used on high-end cinema sets, right inside a mid-range mirrorless body. No external recorders, no bulky HDMI cables, just pure, high bitrate raw data saved directly to your CF Express card. This includes the new Red Color Science profile, which provides skin tones that are miles ahead of what competitors are offering in this segment. With all that power, you might worry about heat. High-resolution RAW video usually turns cameras into expensive pocket warmers. However, Nikon has introduced a thermal dissipation bridge. This is a physical hardware redesign that uses a magnesium alloy heatsink to pull heat away from the processor and sensor toward the outer chassis. This system is significantly more advanced than a simple fan, as it utilizes the entire surface area of the camera body to vent heat. The result is that the Z6 IV can record 4K 120p and 6K RAW indefinitely in standard room temperatures. No more 30-minute limits and no more warning icons popping up right when you need to capture a crucial moment. This reliability is exactly what professional shooters have been demanding from Nikon for years. The brain of the operation is the X8 processor. This is not just a speed boost, it is an AI revolution. Nikon is introducing human intent tracking. Traditional autofocus looks for eyes and faces, but the Z6 IV uses a dedicated AI coprocessor to predict where your subject is going. If a subject turns their back or walks behind an object, the camera does not hunt. It knows the subject is still there and stays locked on. It is the closest thing to having a professional focus puller living inside your lens. For photographers, the Z6 IV is more than just a video camera. That 33-megapixel sensor hits the absolute sweet spot for editorial and commercial work. You get enough resolution to crop in significantly without losing detail, but the file sizes remain manageable for a fast workflow. The burst rates are equally impressive, reaching 30 frames per second in full-resolution RAW and up to 120 frames per second in a cropped mode. Nikon has always been praised for how their cameras feel, but the Z6 IV takes a massive cue from the RED Viraptor. When you flip the camera into video mode, the entire interface changes. It is no longer a photography menu adapted for video, it is a dedicated cinema interface. You get large, touch-friendly icons for shutter angle, t-stops, and waveform monitors. It is clean, professional, and built for people who actually make films. This ensures that even in the heat of a high-pressure shoot, you can toggle settings without digging through layers of complex menus. The electronic viewfinder has also received a massive upgrade to a 5.76 million dot panel with zero blackout, making the transition between stills and video smoother than ever. The build quality remains Nikon tough. This means full weather sealing, a chassis built like a tank, and the return of the dual card slots, one CF Express Type B and one UHS-2 SD. This gives you the speed you need for that 6K RAW while keeping a more affordable backup option for standard 4K or stills. They have also upgraded the battery to the ENEL15D, which offers about 20% more efficiency, especially when utilizing the new AI autofocus features. This is a massive win for travel shooters who can't always stop to charge. The official announcement is slated for the end of the current cycle, with global shipping starting soon. The price point is the most shocking part. While other brands are pushing their prices higher, Nikon is aiming for the throat with a launch price expected around $2,500. For a camera with stacked sensor tech and internal RED RAW, that is an incredible value. The Nikon Z6 IV represents a shift in the industry. It is the moment Nikon stopped catching up and started leading. They are not just selling you a camera, they are selling you a gateway into a professional cinema ecosystem. Whether you are a YouTuber looking to level up your production value, a wedding filmmaker who needs absolute reliability, or a professional photographer who needs a rugged, fast-acting tool, the Z6 IV is designed to be the only camera you will need for years to come. If you have been on the fence about switching systems, this is the sign you have been waiting for. The Mini Z9 is real, and it is coming to change everything we know about hybrid shooting. Make sure you stay tuned to Tap Tech, because we will be the first to bring you the full hands-on review the moment this hits the market. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the future of Nikon. At Tap Tech, we pride ourselves on bringing you the most authentic, verified information so you can make the best choice for your craft. If this information helped you decide on your next gear purchase, make sure to show your support. What do you think? Is the internal 6K RED RAW enough to make you switch to Nikon, or is there a specific feature you are still waiting for? Let's start a conversation in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to stay alerted so you don't miss our upcoming comparison between the Z6 IV and the latest from Sony. Until next time, keep creating, keep pushing the boundaries, and I will see you in the next one. This is Tap Tech, signing off.